Experts are warning about another potential health crisis as parents cancel regular doctor's visits for their kids to avoid coronavirus. Immunizations are dropping at a dangerous rate, putting millions of children at risk for measles, whooping cough, and other life-threatening illnesses. RTV6's Cornelius Hawker shares how doctors' offices are now trying to ease parents' fears.
When I went the last time, it was like me and one other person. They're not seeing anybody unless it's like you're at the end of your pregnancy.
Like most parents during this pandemic, Bailey Bennett is taking all the necessary precautions to keep her family safe. She told me about one of her recent trips to see her doctor.
It was eerie. You know, I went to our hospital and I got screened because my doctor's in the hospital. So they have all the doors shut down but like one, and you get screened and they take your temperature and ask why you're there because nobody can have visitors.
Although those things may seem a little bit scary, Bailey is hoping parents realize those precautions are in place to protect your kids so you don't have to skip out on those wellness checkups. Comparing the week of February 16th as a pre-coronavirus baseline to that of April 5th, PCC, a pediatric electronic health records company, compiled vaccine information from 1,000 independent pediatricians nationwide. They found a significant drop of 50% for measles, mumps, and rubella shots. Diphtheria and whooping cough were down by 42%, and HPV vaccines were down the most, 73%.
I would say that the majority of parents, believe in vaccines and they want to stay up to date with vaccination.
Dr. John Christensen says parents should know many pediatric offices have switched up how they do things to keep kids safe.
Some of the practices have built in ways of either bringing those children early in the morning, schedule appointments so there's none of them in the same waiting room at the same time.
Knowing that doctors' offices are doing everything they can to keep their patients safe brings Bailey some comfort as she prepares to bring a baby boy into this world at the end of May.
I'm no medical expert by any means, but I try to trust people who are more knowledgeable than me. I trust the CDC for vaccinations for my daughter.
Working for you, Cornelius Hawker, RTV6.